Hey guys, what's up? It's Alex, your favorite artist, and here on this YouTube channel I'm talking about my art and sometimes making lessons specially for you. So today is a special day. I'm making a lesson, and it's not just a lesson like million lesson on YouTube. It's a really good one. Why? Because it's outside. It's show real nature and how make real nature and everything. We started with sketches. It's simple and everybody can do this. I make really most easy way for all of you, and I think everybody can do this. Most important thing in these lessons is go outside and repeat not after me, after real nature. So, if you like this idea, please thumbs up, subscribe, share your video with everyone, and of course continue watching. Watching, yes. So, see you guys. Hey guys, what's up? I hope you're doing well. Today I continue with sketches, and it's landscape outside again. And we practice with tree, sketching tree. And today is what we waiting so long. Can you guess what is it? Of course you know it's a kochel. And we're making sketches with this. I think maybe I make with building for you today. In first we starting, guess what? With composition. In first we starting make how where is exactly what's happening. For example, I think maybe house is here and small tree is here, and big one there, and here is maybe like this. So what I'm making decision where is exactly what's happening. And now I continue and make it more and more carefully. As you know, always we starting with background and then continue with more and more subjects what near you. And of course we're starting with big one and then more and more smaller detail. Yes, doggy? Okay. And the secret about window, it's perspective happened here, and we can just imagine or making this line. And after this, it's much easier for us making this. Because almost it's good if you have a lots of window. So I'm show you before how make this with sepia, and same thing you can make with kochel, like this one. Not like this one, like that one. You see the difference. But the point is, always remember this. Never repeat after me or all other professional artists. You repeat from this one. Only from this one. Not from this one. Not from me. Only from that one. Same thing like with sepia. I make like this one. Actually, kochel, it's magic, It's really true. With pencil we should repeat this texture. With silk it's not necessary thing, and with pastel or whatever, because we smell this just like this, and that's all. It's not necessary make every line perfect, because we just make this, you know. What do you want to say me? Do you like this landscape or sketches? Talk with me. Okay. Now just making rivers like a texture, not exactly every part of this like it's really is, because you can see it's really impossible. So we just make this with easy way. And continue like this. And now I am almost done. But the point is, some part of this is more darker if compared with different part. It's important to make this. But because we're making just sketches, because we just make something simple, and maybe we continue with this later in studio, maybe not. So it's not exactly necessary. You know, the point is when you drawing with SketchUp, it's really very dark, and the point is trying to make it lighter, so lighter how you can make it lighter. Because it's very easy making too dark. So guys, I think I done. We done? I think I done with this, and if you like this video, please thumbs up, share it with everyone, and you know, you can try make like this. It's I make for you very easy way, especially for you, because it's, you know, it's for beginner and everything. And also, if you really like nature, this video exactly for you, because you know, you can make with this not only trees, you can make with this whatever you like, and it's not big deal, it's possible whatever you're doing. So you know, it's really cool. It's not necessary moving far from home and traveling to making landscape. You can make it on your backyard or near you. I'm sure you have a park or whatever you have. It's you can just come in and try and make how you can make this. And most important thing, never repeat after different artists. I told you before, and I continue told this because it's really very important. Your teacher is nature, not me. I'm just help you with this, you know. So, last chance to see all this, and bye. And most important part of this lesson, it's about we cannot make everything in one lesson. So, if you like this and want to know really more, want to be good or go home, just go in description and go on my one-on-one lesson with you, and I really help you to grow and make your level really better. Thank you for watching my lesson, and I hope you like this. If so, you know what you should to do, and of course continue on watching my different video, different lessons, and about art and about processing art and everything around. And of course, if you like this, please let me know in comments, and maybe I continue make same thing but in painting, in watercolor or acrylic or oil painting or whatever. So it's just sketches, it's not all. It's not all. Maybe I'm also can show you how from sketches make real artwork. Maybe it's a direction like this. I don't know yet, don't decide. And if you help me in comment decide this, I'm really appreciate this. I'm also really appreciating this, make me really happy because lots of new subscribers. Guys, I love everyone. I love everyone really. Bye guys. See you later.